The season starts with a bam, and sadly is the final season. In the 8th episode, our beloved Parata girl died. I know it's sad, but it's the fact. I didn't want to put my ugly face in thumbnail because look at them. They're beautiful. But whenever I click on a video because of only the anime thumbnail and then suddenly a 3D person appears, it gets on my nerve. I mean, I didn't come here to see you. Get lost. Show me those beauties. What are you even doing? Whoever clicks on this video, I want them to make sure that they are prepared to watch this ugly ass face in this video with their beloved characters. Correct me if I'm wrong. You guys have watched a lot of video on this topic, but can we start again? Pretty please. We watched the 8th episode of new season of Attack on Titan. I'm sure you have. That's why the 4 or 5 people are watching this video wouldn't be here. Isn't this so ironic that Gabi, who killed Sasha, is so similar to her face structure, her hair color, she also loves to eat, her childish attitude, so many similarities. But she's still annoying. How dare you kill Sasha, you bitch! Just after Connie said how important they are to him. Let's think in a different way. We love Paradise, we absolutely love them. No. But let's think about Marley. Just imagine you, your parents, your grandparents were taught that there is a country where only terrorists live. They will probably attack us someday and kill all of us. Before that happens, we have to get rid of them. That's exactly what they were taught. Now just imagine a group of terrorists coming to your homeland and kills your friends and family. What would have been your reaction? Pretty sure if there was any protagonist, even Eren, he would have done this. Get me wrong, I'm not siding with that. I'm absolutely not okay with the fact that Sasha died. Truth is, they always thought them of Paradise Devil. It's not really Gabi's fault for killing one of her enemies. That doesn't change the fact that Gabi is really annoying. I really wonder if Erwin was alive, how would he have reacted? Because he always had this question in his mind. Always searched for the answers. Is humanity really gone? Are the only human left in this world? He was this close from finding out the truth. This close. But Erwin, you died. I hate you, Zeke. Erwin deserves so much. Erwin. I think of Erwin, I get emotional because Erwin, you deserve to know. Only you raised this question, you deserve to know. Wait, why am I the only one being emotional? I'm gonna add in Erwin's clips to make you sad as well. Sure, if Erwin was alive, he would have tried to avoid conflicts and make up with everything. Erwin, I miss you so much. You are the best leader. You are. You always will. Episode 9, last episode was a recap of how they team up with Zeke. I wonder how Levi is controlling himself. I realized 2 things from this episode. One, Eren has become a lot bossy. And of course, Mikasa is never going to say anything against him. 2, there could have been a development of a new relationship. A proper relationship in this series, in Attack on Titan. Can you believe that? But that didn't happen. Of course, that will never happen because Attack on Titan. They can't develop a feeling or they can't develop a relationship with anyone. They will die. This guy's name is Nicolo. He was captured by them. He was a Marley soldier. Then he became the chef. You all know how much Sasha loves food. She loved his food, called him a genius for making such delicious food. And he appreciated that. So cute. He blushed. Look, he blushed. He blushed. He heard Sasha's death. He was sad. He cried. He came to visit Sasha's grave but got beaten by an Eldian soldier. Connie and Jean saved him. John, whatever, they saved him. As you can clearly see that they both trust Nicolo and said sorry to him for Sasha's death. That means they understood his developing feelings for Sasha. It makes me sad. The whole scene is sad in his own way, but there is another reason. As Nicolo is also an Eldian, I think he was treated badly in Marley as well. And here he got beaten up as an Eldian as well. So it made me sad because he's a good guy. He secretly started to love Sasha, but before that feeling developed, she died. Family and told him that he's a Marley soldier, working here as a chef, and how much Sasha loved his food more than anyone. She was killed by a Marleyan. Sasha's parents ignored the fact that Nicolo was a Marleyan as well. Accepted his proposal to have a dinner with him. I don't know why, but my dumbass felt as if it's a father and a son-in-law scene. I mean, it's so accurate. So much. You can't blame me. Just imagine Sasha, that kid getting in a relationship with a guy. Oh my god. Nicola is such an opposite character of her. It would have been great.
롤마리아 最終奪還作戦開始進め